dear students, today we are going to learn a very meaningful and interesting story from our My English Book 5. This story tells us why we should be loving with our children. Unit 5, page number 63. Story's name is Go and Come. This story is adapted from Go and Come by Laura E. Richards. Listen carefully and read with me. लक्ष देऊन ऐका आणि माझ्या बरोबर वाचा. Once there was a little boy. He lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden. So there was a lot of work to do there. Water the plants every day. Give manure from time to time. Cut and prune the plants at the right time. Weed the garden. Clean the garden. Everybody in the little boy's family help to take care of the garden. The boy had a very strict uncle. He believed in hard work and discipline. One day, the boy was playing around in the house. Little boy, said the uncle, your garden needs weeding. Don't play around. Do some work. Go now and weed the garden. The little boy did not feel like weeding that day. I can't do it, he said. Oh yes, you can, said the uncle. Well, I don't want to. Not just now, said the little boy. But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. The little boy felt sad. Uncle is so unfair, he thought. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat. His eyes welled up. Just then, his mother walked in. What's the matter? What's the matter?
Little boy,
She asked.
why do you look
Why do you look
so unhappy?
so unhappy?
Uncle told me to weed the garden,
Uncle told me to weed the garden,
said the little boy.
said the little boy.
Oh,
Oh,
said his mother.
said his mother.
What fun
What fun
that will be.
that will be.
I love to weed
I love to weed
and
and
it is such a fine day.
such a fine day.
Can I come
Can I come
and help you
and help you
to weed?
to weed?
Why, yes,
Why, yes,
said the boy.
said the boy.
So
So
the boy
the boy
and his mother
and his mother
went outside.
went outside.
They weeded the garden.
They weeded the garden.
They had
They had
a very good time
a very good time
together,
together,
working
working
and chatting
chatting
and laughing.
and laughing.
So students, what do we learn from this story? We learn if we behave lovingly with children, they will obey us happily. जर आपण लहान मुलांशी प्रेमाने वागलो तर ते आनंदाने आपल्या आज्ञा पाळतात. आय होप यू लाईक अँड अंडरस्टँड दिस स्टोरी. तर बालमित्रांनो, जर ही स्टोरी तुम्हाला आवडली असेल तर लाईक करा. अजून तुम्ही हे चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल तर चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा व ही स्टोरी तुमच्या मित्रांसोबत शेअर करा. थँक्यू.